so just go ahead and relax for me here. Good. Good. All right, so just relax. Now we're gonna do the bottom.
That was amazing.
That was good.
Top tier, yes.
Feet feel good.
Yeah, feels great, relax.
Okay, let's go to your feet.
Okay.
Feet done?
Should I take my shoes off?
Take everything off.
Okay.
Yep.
Socks too?
Everything.
Okay.
He likes to listen
Hey.
on the spot, brother. You gotta come here with your feet done.
Okay.
No, I'm just saying. Spot.
On the spike.
Rusty toes.
No.
Put that in your description.
Yes.
Feet will be shown.
Yeah, you gotta let them know, cause
Oh, they're cute.
I got my toes done
I
yesterday.
got the red glitter. See?
Cute. Yeah.
She was ready.
Holiday colors.
She was
My
ready.
feet are a little sweaty though.
I got you. Let's see.
That's why you playing about the church fetish.
Yeah.
Got a feet fetish.
Feet fetish, Dr. Clark.
I think you're in the wrong profession.
You can have an OnlyFans for just feet.
Y'all are crazy.
That's another stream of income for you.
Hey, hey.
If it pay good, let me know. I'll give you a big toe.
You'd be surprised though. People love feet.
Yeah.
called feet finders.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
It's a real thing.
Oh my God. Y'all
They
are
make
crazy.
like white toes and stuff like the white color on your feet.
Oh, they like that?
They got a preference.
She's all right with it? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get white, ma'am.
Let me get some white toes.
Every time
All right, let's get started. Let's get started. You got pretty feet though.
Oh, thank you.
What?
About his foot fetish.
Hold on, Doc.
Dr. Clerk.
All right, so let's do some range of motion first and see how that goes. Okay. There's no pain with that, right?
No, no pain.
Okay. All right. Same thing on this side here. That's fine? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, so just relax for me. Good.
Oh, I like that.
Good. Slide up for me a little bit. Just relax. Good.
Ooh, that felt good. Oh.
Good.
I knew this foot was gonna pop more than the other.
Then the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna just work on the muscle just like a few minutes real quick, okay?
Okay.
So like extensor digitorum brevis, extensor hallucis longus, I'm just gonna work on those a little bit.
Okay.
All right. She's gonna have you start a OnlyFans just for your feet. Messing with her.
You guys want to know a funny story? On Instagram one time, I was getting a call on my phone, right? Like an Instagram call. And I was like, who is this? Like, it's some person that I didn't know. So I opened it, but I didn't I put it like that so they couldn't see me, right? And it was some guy from like the UK, but he was Indian, but he had like a English accent. And he was like, I am in love with you. Can I see your feet, please? And I was like, no. It was the craziest thing that has ever happened to me on Instagram.
There's a lot of weirdos on Instagram.
Yes. And then he kept messaging me. I obviously blocked him, but he was like saying how he had a foot fetish.
He's serious.
He was serious.
He was serious.
Yeah. I guess my right foot holds more tension than my left.
It does.
Yeah. You're going to see that imbalance in my hips once you adjust my lower back. Do you do any like Graston work or?
I do, but because we have the massage therapist,
Yeah.
so they tend to do most of the
More
stuff
of that
tissue. Yeah.
Like, okay.
How much you charge for a foot massage?
Who? Me?
You like that? I'm just saying. Get
Felt
me.
really good. Felt good.
So I'm focusing more on the flexors. So the flexor digitorum brevis, like right here, because it helps with plantar flexions.
Yeah.
You don't have to get that close. Jeez.
Let me get the angles.
The angle.
The
Good.
video gonna blow up. Watch.
Yeah. You're going to have to pay me that foot fee.
$4.99.
Amazing.
Not bad.
Really good.
You got everything cracked.
Yes. Feeling really good. Thank you.